Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Rashid Kenny, and in this lecture, I am solving problems from question number 8 to question number 12 of exercise 10B of points, lines, and plans. And this is going to be the last lecture of this chapter, points, lines, and plans. So, in previous lectures, I have solved complete exercise question number 1 to question number 7 of this, and now I am about to solve question number 8. So let us move toward the question number 8 in the book. As you can see in the book, this is the question number 8, and he is saying that in the figure, AC is parallel to EG, FD is parallel to GC, angle ABD is equals to 46 degrees, angle DFE is equals to 52 degrees, and angle FCG is equals to 72 degrees. So these are two lines AC and EG which are parallel to each other. At the same time, FD and GC are two lines which are parallel to each other, and it is shown by two arrowheads on GC and FD and by one arrowhead on AC and EG. So we have given angle 72 degrees and 52 degrees at point F and 46 degrees at point B. And we are asked to solve the angle CGF first and BCF and the reflex angle BDF. So let us move to solve these angles. So here we have the diagram where AC is parallel to EG and GC is parallel to FD and all that. First of all, in part 1, we have to find the angle CGF. This is the angle CGF which we have to find. So the CGF angle corresponds to the angle EFD. So CGF is equals to 52 degrees because this is corresponding angle. Because as you know, the side GC is parallel to the side FD, so angle CGF occupy the similar position as angle EFD. So these two angles are corresponding angles. I'll write the reason corresponding angles. So that's why they are angle CGF is equals to 52 degrees. These are corresponding angles. So in part B, we have to find angle BCF. So this is the angle BCF, B, C, and F. This is the angle. So how can we find the angle BCF? It can be find when we find this angle. As you can see, the angle BCF is alternate to the angle GFC because EG and AC are two parallel lines. So these, let us name this angle as X degree. So this is the triangle where this angle we have already find, that is CGF in part 1, which is equals to 52 degrees. So in this triangle CFG, in triangle CFG, the sum of interior angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. So its mean X degree plus 72 degree plus 52 degree is equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. So hence we get the value of X degree, that is the angle CFG, or we can write it as CFG angle equals to X degree, which is equals to 180 minus 72 minus 52. And if we subtract these 2 points from 180, that 180 minus 72 and minus 52, the answer becomes 56. So the value of this angle is 56 degrees. And the angle BC and F, BCF, this angle is alternate to this X degree. So angle BCF is equals to CFG because these are alternate angles. And the value of CFG is 56 degrees. So hence we have find the value of BCF, which is equals to 56 degrees. Now we have to find the reflex angle BDF. So this is the angle BDF. This is the reflex angle BDF. So let me draw a horizontal line at point D like this, or dotted line, an arbitrary dotted line. So the concept for this dotted line is that this dotted line is parallel to the line AC and the line EG. If this dotted line is parallel to the line AC, then this angle, this half angle becomes equals to 46 degrees because of alternate angles, as dotted line and AC are parallel to each other. At the same time, this angle becomes equals to 52 degree, because this dotted line is also parallel to the line EG. So this makes an alternate angle. So these two angles, one is equals to 42 degree, 46 degrees, and other one is of 52 degrees. Hence, the reflex angle BDF is equals to 360 degree minus 46 degrees and minus 52 degrees. We have to subtract the 46 and 52 from this complete circular angle. Then we get the reflex angle at point D. So if we subtract 46 and 52 from 360, we get 360 minus 46 minus 52 equals to 262 degrees. So this angle is of 262 degrees. Hope you understand this question. Now we will solve the question number 9 of this exercise. So here is the question number 9, and let us see it in the book also. This is the question number 9 in front of you. In question number 9, he is saying that in the figure, AB is parallel to CE. This is the line AB, which is parallel to CE. Hence, AC is the transversal between these two lines. At the same time, DF is parallel to AC. This is the line DF, which is parallel to AC. These two lines are also parallel, and it is also shown by a single arrowhead. We have to find y, value of y, and value of x. So let us solve this. So to find the reflex angle 7y, first of all, we have to find the angle at point A, this angle. So angle at point A, or you can say the angle BAC is equals to angle EDF. Why? This is equal because angle at point A and angle at point B are the corresponding angles, because these two lines AC and DF are also parallel to each other. So hence they correspond each other. So BAC angle is equals to EDF, which is equals to 58 degrees, and the combination of 7y and angle at point A, that is this complete circular angle 7y degree plus BAC is equals to 360 degrees. So hence the angle BAC is 58 degree. So 7y degree plus 58 degree is equals to 360 degree. We will subtract 58 from 360 degrees. So we get 7y degree equals to 360 minus 58. So if we subtract 58 from 360, 360 minus 58 is equals to 302 degrees. So it's very easy. 7y equals to 302 degrees. We divide it by 7. So the value of y comes as 302 divided by 7. And we divide 302 by 7. And then we get an angle in decimals. That is 43.1 degrees. Y degree is equals to 43.1 degrees. This is the value of y. And next we will solve for 4x degrees. So the value of 4x degrees cannot be found if we find the angle that is angle at c degrees. So as you see, the angle at point A and angle at point C are two interior angles, because they are the angles which are inside the two parallel lines A, B, and C, E. So the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. So that means angle BAC plus angle ACE equals to 180 degree, because both of them are interior angles. So BAC, we know that what is BAC. The angle BAC is 58 degrees. 58 degrees plus ACE equals to 180 degrees. So we subtract 58 from 180. ACE becomes 180 minus 58. So if we subtract 58 from 180, 180 minus 58 equals to 122 degrees. So hence we get the value of ACE, angle ACE, which is equals to 122 degrees. So this is the value of angle ACE, or the angle interior angle at point C. So the sum of these two angles ACE plus 4x degrees is equals to 360 degrees. So the value of ACE is 122. We put the value plus 4x degree equals to 360 degree. So now 4x degree as it is, and this equals to 360 minus 122. And now we subtract 122 from 360. We get the answer equals to 238. 4x degree is equals to 238 degrees, and we divide it by 4. X degree equals to 238 divided by 4. If we divide 238 by 4, we get 119, or in a decimal form 59.5. The value of x degree is equals to 59.5. So this is the question number 9. So now we will solve the question number 10 of this exercise. The question number 10 is this: in the figure, ABDE is a straight line and BC is parallel to EF. Find the values of X and the value of Y. So ABDE is a straight line where EF and BC are parallel to each other. We have to find the value of X and value of Y. So let us find. So this is the question. Here in part 1, which is very easy. The angle x degree and the angle 147 degrees are equal. X degree is equals to 147 degrees because EF and BC are parallel lines. So the angle x degree and angle 147 degree are the corresponding angles because this is corresponding angles. So these angles are equals, corresponding angles. So after finding this corresponding angle x degree, we can find this angle for part 2 for the value of y. So this value can be easily found as angle CBD, which is equal CBD plus x degree equals to 180 degree, because these two angles are adjacent angles, as x degree and CBD lies in a straight line. So these two angles sum up to 180 degree. We have the value of x degree, that is CBD plus 147 equals to 180 degree. Hence angle CBD is found, that is 180 minus 147. So what is 180 minus 147? 180 minus 147 is equals to 33. So this is the angle CBD, which is equals to 33 degree. So this is the angle which is equals to 33 degrees. So what will be the angle which is CDE? Now we have to find the angle CDE. As you can see, CDE is an exterior angle, and exterior angle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So CDE is equals to 33 degree plus 32 degree. So it becomes CDE, it becomes 65 degrees. So this angle CDE is 65 degrees. This angle is 65 degrees. Now 5y plus 65 degrees equals to 360 degrees. 5y degree plus 65 degree, because 5y is a reflex angle and 65 is a acute angle. So sum of these two angles is equals to 360 degrees. So 5y degree equals to 360 minus 65. So 5y degree equals to, what if we subtract 65 from 360? We get 295 degrees. And if we divide it by 5, 295 divided by 5, and the answer becomes 295 divided by 5 is equals to 59 degrees. So value of y degree, the value of y degree equals to 59 degrees. Hence, we have found both the values of unknowns in this question. This was the question number 10. Now we will solve the question number 11. So the question number 11 is: in the figure, the lines AB and CD are cut by the transversals PQ and RS. if DYP is equals to 46 degree, AXS is equals to 104 degree, and CZR is equals to 76 degree, point BWP. So this question is not that complex as it is looking. The angle BWP, we have to find the angle BWP. The angle BWP is equals to actually angle DYP. This angle is equals to DYP because AB and CD are the parallel lines. So these two angles are equal. So this is the angle BWP, which corresponds to the angle 46 degrees. So these two angles are equal. So BWP is equals to 46 degrees. Hence the answer of this question. So that's it. Now we will solve the question number 12. So this is the question number 12, which is written in front of you. And you can see the question number 12 in the book also. This is the question number 12. This question is of advanced level. In the figure, AB is parallel to EG. BAC is equals to W degree. ACD is equals to X degree. CDF is equals to Y degree. And DFE is equals to Z degree. Form an equation connecting WX, Y, and Z. So these are four angles. In this question, two of these angles are the exterior angles. That is, y degree and z degree are the exterior angles, but x degree and w degree are the interior angles. And let us solve this question. So before solving this question, you must know that sum of interior angles is equals to the sum of exterior angles. You can write the formula in the solution. There is no problem. Sum of interior angles is equals to sum of exterior angles. So what are the interior angles? Interior angles are B, A, let us call this point as E, BAE plus AED. AED. These two are the angles which are interior angles, and they sum up to the sum of exterior angles. So the exterior angles are EDF, EDF plus another exterior angle is DFE, EFE. So the what is the value of BAE? The value of BAE is W degree. Value of AED is X degree. Both are these are interior angles, and the value of EDF is Y degree, and the value of DFE is Z degree. So this is the equation which connects W, X, Y, and Z. Hence the answer of the question. So this was the question number 12, and with question number 12, the chapter which is points, lines, and plans, and the topic ends. I will start a new topic in my new playlist. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your time. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.